In this video I'll show you how to buy Ethereum on crypto.com. I'll show you how to buy with a market order, with a limit order, and with a recurring buy. Let's start with market order. Market order means let's buy Ethereum right now at this price. So you can click on Ethereum here in the home page, or if you don't see it, you can click on buy here and then click here where it says search and then type ETH and then click on Ethereum. Now here you can either choose the amount of Ethereum you want to buy or the amount of money you want to put in. So here, let's say I want to buy 0.1 Ethereum. I'll type 0.1. It will tell me that I'll spend $185. Or if I want to choose a specific amount of money I want to put in, I'll click on this button here with the arrows. So now you can choose a specific amount of money you can put in. Let's say I want to buy $100 of Ethereum. It will show you that you'll get 0.054 Ethereum. Next you need to choose the payment method. So how you want to pay for your Ethereum. So you can either choose cash account, so the money you've deposited in your spot wallet. If you don't know how to deposit money on crypto.com, go check out the video I've already made on the channel. Or you can also pay with Google Pay, Apple Pay, credit card, debit card, Visa, MasterCard. Whatever payment method you want to choose, click on the buy button, the blue buy button at the bottom that says buy. And you will see your Ethereum here in accounts and then overview and crypto. Now I'll show you how to buy Ethereum with a limit order. Limit order means buying Ethereum at a specific price. So you'll have to wait until Ethereum reaches that price you've set. So on the home page, click on the three lines in the top left corner. Click on limit order. Here click on the blue buy button in the bottom left corner that says buy. Click on search. Type ETH, click on Ethereum, and here you'll need to set the price at which you want to buy Ethereum. So right now the price is 1,624 euros. For me it's euros, for you it might be USD, GBP, depending on your currency. So you need to choose the price at which you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy Ethereum when it reaches 1,500 euros. I'll type 1,500. Then you need to choose the amount of Ethereum you want to buy when the price reaches 1,500. So let's say I want to buy 0.1. I'll type 0.1. It will tell me that I'll spend 150 euros. And then again, you need to choose the payment method. So how you want to pay for the Ethereum. And then again, you can choose to pay with the money in your spot wallet, or you can also add a payment method like debit card or credit card. Once everything is set, this blue button at the bottom will be enabled. Click on it and you'll see the open order here in the list of limit orders. Keep in mind that you will not buy Ethereum right away, but when Ethereum reaches the price you've set, it will be automatically bought. And once it's bought, again, you will see your Ethereum here in accounts and then overview and crypto. Now I'll show you how to set up a recurring buy. A recurring buy means buying Ethereum every so often. So click on the three lines here in the top left corner. Click on recurring buy. Here it will tell you set up periodic crypto purchase. Click on set up recurring buy. Here click on search. Type ETH and click on ETH. Here first of all you need to choose how much money you want to put in every so often. So let's say I want to buy $50 every single purchase. So I'll type 50 and here you need to choose the frequency. So if you click on select, you can choose between daily, weekly, bi-weekly and monthly. So let's say I want to buy Ethereum every day. I'll click on daily, click on confirm, and you will see that repeat on is disabled because it will buy every single day. But if you choose weekly and click on confirm, you can choose the day you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy every single Sunday. I click on Sunday here, I click on confirm, and then finally you need to choose the payment method. So pay with, click on select, and here you can choose to pay with a credit card, debit card, crypto wallet, so it will take money from your USDC wallet, or also cash account, so the money in your spot wallet, your cash account. So once you've chosen the payment method, click on confirm, and then everything will be set up. So once everything is set up, click on the blue button at the bottom that says confirm schedule, and Crypto.com will automatically start to buy Ethereum either daily or weekly or bi-weekly or monthly, depending on how you've set it up.